Hi, my name is Mike Kurczy, and I'd like to take the next few minutes to give you a brief introduction to mass spec imaging. This simple cartoon shows a sagittal slice of a mouse brain and a corresponding mass spec image showing the localization of a single ion species. So as an example, I've chosen the peak that corresponds to N-acetyl aspartyl glutamate, which is a fairly abundant neuropeptide. The key to this technology is the ability to ionize a sample in situ. Now, this allows you to keep track of where the ions came from and ultimately reconstruct the mass spec image. So there are several ways to do this, and I'd like to mention a few. The first method depicted here is called secondary ion mass spectrometry, or SIMS. This uses a focused ion beam, which is depicted here as this line of buckyballs, to deposit energy into the sample, which causes the analyte ions to be sputtered off the surface. Now, a similar effect can be obtained using desorption electrospray ionization, or DESI, where the surface is bombarded with what are essentially water droplets. Next, we have matrix-assisted laser desorption ionization, or MALDI. This uses a laser to ionize the analyte molecules that have been extracted to a matrix. So that's this purplish tint that I've added to the mouse brain slice. So it's the matrix, not the tissue, that absorbs the energy, and then this helps to keep the analyte molecules intact. So there are other ways to utilize laser energy to basically put energy into the sample to desorb analytes, such as irradiating nanoparticles. But my favorite way is using nanostructure-initiated mass spectrometry, or NIMS. So in NIMS, the action occurs at the specialized surface that you place the sample onto. So here we have a NIMS image of the same mouse brain. And so each of these pixels contains a mass spectrum. And the spectrum here is the sum of all those spectra. So you can see that as I scroll through the peaks, I have different masses light up. And to map a peak, we just highlight the peak. And so we're choosing the mass at 888.6, which is a sulfatide lipid. And this has a really nice localization, as you'll see. And so now we have our mass spec image, and I would thank you for your attention, and if you have any questions, just feel free to email us.